Games and sports ta Manipur se powerhouse oibada natana research ki lamda so Manipur na powerhouse oire haina Manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokkhre. Wafam asing asi science innovation and climate change ta yumpham oiduna Manipur Science Congress lising ani kunmanga Manipur University gi auditorium hall da pangthokkiba thorom da phongdokkibani. Manipur University, Manipur Science and Technology Council, Master Committee, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Kapunna Kusamna Pangthokkiba Thoromaduda, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala, Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh Amadi, Master Member Secretary Oibatanatana, Science and Technology Secretary Oina Thopuri B. IAS, Kemu Zuringlana, Mathangshina Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor Oina Saruyaki, Magna Makatana Fungdoropada, Manipur Research Kilam the Powerhouse Oiriba. Asum na honor lobadi Maliam ki thakta Manipur na ahanba research paper puthokpa ngamgani amadi mamang chahi ge science congress ta phongkiba paper ani gi manungda mahakna paper amada alcohol puthokpa na greenhouse gas kaya tholokpa amadi lairik amada loktak hydro project versus sangai haina mingthonba paper thengnai tongan ba mafam singda thoiba issue kaya sibu loishinaba ngamnaba research kaya puthokpa tangai fade hauji climate change lakona maram oiraga aikhoi Gia Akoivagi Fibamda, Miogi Punsi, Mahinda Chauna Kaiba Pire, Lamda Masida so Hadak Chahi and Asida, Anirak Ishing Chaunankre, Nungsa, Gimashasu, Saba Hengalapana Maramurega, environment so Awan Boiri, Ecoina resource Singbo, Kanaba, Amade resource, Masin Hengat Nabakona Changi, Hauzik Lady scientist Masing Asidagi, Ahen scientist Kaya, Tolotona resource Singbo, Matau Karamna, Sempat Kadaki, Haibagi. Haivasi Miam the Kangan Changi, Nasiki Thoromaduda, Dr. Ibeyaima Innovation Award Disingani Kunmari, Dr. Probability Science Popularization Award Disingani Kunmari, Amadi State Science Communication Award Lisingani Kunmari Award. So Lanthokpakaloina Manipur Science Congress Lisingani Kunmari Amadi Kunmangagi souvenirs of Fonki.
Particularly research that addresses the specific ecological and socio-economic realities of Manipur and of the whole northeastern region. Equally important is creation of supportive ecosystem for scientific innovation, one that promotes collaboration, provides adequate resources, and ensures that research outcomes translate into societal benefit.